Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How to install wget on Windows. Download wget for Windows and install the package. Add the wget bin path to environment variables, optional. Configuring this removes the need for full paths, and makes it a lot easier to run wget from the command prompt. Open the command prompt, cmd.x, and start running wget commands.
Take our lead.
New wget, or just wget, formerly Getterl, also written as its package name, wget, is a computer program that retrieves content from web servers. It is part of the GNU project. Its name derives from World Wide Web and GET. It supports downloading via HTTP, HTTPS, and FTP.
Let's help you make your mark.
That's Windows key plus R, then type PowerShell and press Enter. Now run the curl command with the O option to specify the file output. Easy, right? Now you can download files right from the command line all by simply using your keyboard.
Let's help you make your mark.
The genuine wget.x file is a software component of GNU wget by GNU project. GNU wget is utility to retrieve files from the Internet using the HTTP and FTP protocols. wget.x runs the GNU wget program. It can use this information to automatically retrieve newer versions of files.
Take our lead.
To check whether the wget package is installed on your system, open up your console, type wget, and press Enter. If you have wget installed, the system will print wget, missing URL, otherwise, it will print wget command not found.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.